Welcome to your home sweet home. So this is for Asters Court in Sugarmill Woods, Oak Village section. And that's Homosassa, Florida. We're gonna walk through this home. I'm gonna give you the grand tour. You'll notice how beautifully it has been updated. It is a split bedroom, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. With remodeled kitchen, flooring, and master bath shower. So I'm going to take you around, let you see it, and we'll talk a little bit about some of the upgrades. First off, you see these large windows. These windows were all replaced in 2011, and they are tilt function, and so you have very easy access to both sides of the window pane for cleaning. All of the windows throughout are the new windows and the double pane, so good energy efficiency. We're going to start right here in the primary bedroom suite. So you'll notice we have the ceiling fan with a light kit. We've got a nice slider out to that beautiful porch, which we'll look at here in a minute. And we have an ensuite bathroom. And check out this closet. Lots of space in here. Great closet, attic access for additional storage. If you have some extra things, we have shelves galore in this closet. You've got some great lower shelves for shoes, so you can really display all of those items so that when you're getting dressed in the morning, you know exactly what you want to wear and what accessories you're going to put with your clothes. This is a beautiful remodel of this bathroom. So look at that shower, gorgeous tile. The ceiling here in the bathroom is a tongue and groove plank ceiling, so that's a nice accent feature. And then of course we have a separate vanity here that is private from the actual shower and toilet. The HVAC on this home was replaced in 2020, so it's only 3 years old. And the roof has been shown to have 5 years of life left, maybe more. There is a current wind mitigation report reflecting that. Look at this kitchen. This is gorgeous. Solid countertops, stone countertops, beautiful subway tile backsplash. I love the knobs on these cabinets. They just add really an extra flair to this kitchen. And we've got a nice big sink, and the sink overlooks that beautiful porch that we have there, and it has a pass-through window. So if you're entertaining, you are able to hand these hors d'oeuvres and snacks and drinks to your guests. So very well appointed kitchen. We've got some big drawers here, beautiful stainless steel refrigerator that recesses there. And then check out, there's a little seating area here at the end of the kitchen, and there's more storage in the cabinets underneath. So lots of storage in this house. And then here you have another separate space. This could just be a living room area. This could be a den. You can use it for whatever you need. Maybe even an office setup if you needed just a little desk space in addition to the 2 bedrooms. We've got a nice closet there which serves well for a pantry and a utility closet. And then this door walks you out to the 2-car garage. So you do have space for 2 vehicles. You've got a side door there that takes you outside, and then you have your laundry set up with the laundry tub here in the garage. This house also has a sprinkler system, so you can keep your landscape hydrated and looking nice year-round. Of course, here in Florida, we have the tropical temperatures, so you can plant and have gardens and have beautiful things all year round. This is the 2nd bedroom. Couple of great size closets here with double doors. Again, ceiling fan in this bedroom as well. We have a nice linen closet here. And then we have the 2nd bathroom, tub shower combo, fully appointed with the medicine cabinet and nice storage here under the vanity. You're probably noticing all of the floors are the luxury vinyl plank flooring, beautiful wood look and design to this vinyl plank. Very durable floors, so if you have kids or pets or any of those Concerns, you've got floors that will stand the test of time with a lot of life happening on them. So this is the porch, and one thing I want you to notice here, this is a screened porch, but it has been vented for air through the HVAC. So if you ever desired to enclose this with windows, this could be additional living space on the home. So really nice option if you wanted to incorporate some more year-round space for the home. Behind here, a really nice little yard, and then we are actually on the green belt here, so that wooded area at the end of this lot, which is just about a third of an acre lot, but at the end of this lot line you have green belt, so that's protected, it won't be built on. So you're gonna keep your privacy here, and you notice how you just hear the birds chirping. It is very quiet, very peaceful, beautiful surroundings. So this is a great option if you're looking for a Florida home. Again, it's in Homosassa, so very close to the Suncoast Parkway that shoots you over to Tampa quickly. If you're going to be traveling, the airport there or the attractions in Tampa. This location is close to a lot of things, all up and down Highway 19, which is just a short drive out to 19. You have restaurants galore, you have shopping galore, you can go into Hernando County, which is very quick to get to, and you've got a ton of options as far as shopping and restaurants. So this is a great location because you have access to a lot of things. HOA is annual, $145 a year, very, very affordable, and they maintain the look of the community and keep everything beautiful, keep property values stable and rising. So this is a wonderful option, and if you'd like more information, please reach out to the team. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty and RES Luxury Group, where we bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.